Hi guys, so today I'm going to be trying a fun experiment. So, in Miraculous, there's this thing of when you invert the images of Adrian and Marinette, it actually switches their coloring, and this is really cool because it's a really cool way to demonstrate their ship. As you can see, they're opposite colors here. And so there's this theory going around that Luca and Chloe are actually also in the inverted. When you switch them, they match. But some people said this wasn't true, and then lately I just heard someone say that it was. So I thought today that I would invert the colors to see if this was true. And please excuse my voice, I am kind of getting over a cold, so my voice isn't totally back to what it was. I'm going to be using just an online tool called Pine Tool to do this. So I'm going to choose my file, and let's start with Luca here, and we're going to click invert. Okay, so it didn't work on Luca really, but I mean, it's sort of in a way. But his hair is not yellow, it's pink actually. So let's see what it does with Chloe. Oh. And now we'll invert Chloe. Okay, so it doesn't really match this one in the same way. Like, it sort of does. Luca isn't as yellow like this, but Chloe is blue, so Chloe does match, sort of. But Luca does not. I want to try this again with several different images. Okay, real quick, I want to do one more and actually try to invert the original image here. We're just going to be looking at the top part. We're going to invert it. Okay. So, this image, it actually did opposites. Huh. Okay, this is really weird. I don't really know how this is working out, but these images are corresponding with these images. So, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so this image was the closest I could find to this one down here, and so I'm thinking the lighting and the coloring of it might affect it. But anyways, I'm going to see if this one... Oh. So it does match this one, actually. Okay, see where we're going. I couldn't find an exact one of Chloe, but I did find this one, which is sort of similar. And... okay, no, it's matching, actually. This is kind of weird. I don't know what's going on. So I guess depending on the lighting, it's changing them. So, let's try this image real quick. No, this is a really good example here, because Chloe's colors are just like Luca's, say, in this image. So, did we confirm or debunk this theory? I don't really know, because some images, like this one, it does work. So it actually, I guess the backgrounds are working on it, and the lighting is working on it. But not all images, such as the ones I did earlier, aren't looking as good. For example, he is looking more pink in some images, but in other newer ones, he is looking more yellow. So did we confirm it or debunk it? Neither really, it just depends. Maybe they're more secretly hinting at this and didn't want it to be as obvious, or this is just a random coincidence. I don't know. Okay guys, so I tried another invert, and this time I did it with Viperion, and again he's more pink than he is yellow. So it looks like the Chloe part is true, but the part with Luca is not. Let me try some more images here. Here's another of Luca, and once again you can see he's pink rather than yellow. So this one, it's a little more yellow, but not as much as it is in, say, this image here. Let me see if I can find another Chloe. It's Viperion. Just a minute, guys. Here's another Chloe. This is a full body image. And so as you can see, she is blue, so she is actually matching up with what this person said, but Luca is not.